tahini, shake the tahini, shake the tahini. Shake the tahini, shake the tahini, shake the tahini. Shake the tahini.
Welcome to JOULE, sous vide by Chef Steps. Let's get cooking. You'll need JOULE, a smartphone or tablet, and a pot. The one you use to cook pasta works great. Your JOULE has a magnetic foot, a water inlet, a water outlet, an LED light, and a button on top. Let's set up your JOULE. Start by adding some water to your pot. Don't forget to protect your work surface with a trivet or a cutting board. Add JOULE to the pot and plug it in. Do you have enough water? As a rule, you want the water to fully cover your food, plus a little extra. And if you're cooking something small, like a single salmon fillet, you can use as little as 1.5 inches of water. There are 3 ways to attach JOULE. If you have a magnetic pot, simply place JOULE in the pot and the powerful magnetic foot will keep JOULE upright and secure throughout the cook. No magnetic pot? Not to worry. Simply attach JOULE to the side of your pot using the side clip. The JOULE app offers 2 ways to cook. If you know the temperature you would like, use the manual cooking screen to enter that number in Celsius or Fahrenheit. If you're looking for some inspiration, there's guided cooking. With guided cooking, you can use one of the app's 100-plus step-by-step cooking guides. Search or browse by category. Each guide includes visual doneness videos, which show you exactly how food will turn out before you even start cooking. Just pick the one that looks best. The app will ask you a few questions about your food so that JOULE can calculate the perfect cooking time. That's it! JOULE will begin heating the water and you're ready to cook something delicious.
NutriFit EK2322H Digital Kitchen Scale is a unique and special 3-in-1 device for your kitchen work. Combining digital scale, cutting board and tray, all these 3 kitchen accessories together into one device. This will make your cooking, food measuring, dietary management and kitchen work become much more convenient and easy. The digital kitchen scale built with high-precision strain gauge sensor system provides you with accurate weight 11 pounds, 5 kilograms capacity, 0.1 ounce, 1 gram division. The food scale with bamboo cutting board and anti-fingerprint tray. This platform is providing the easy solution for the food tasting expert or street diet people. With this 3-in-1 platform, you can proceed cutting, weighing and food allocating in one device. The bamboo cutting board scale are deeply loved by most of housewives, chefs, dieting people and become a good helper in our kitchen. The beautiful white extra-large backlit LCD display features one-touch commands, overload and low battery indicators. The helpful Auto Zero setting offers incredible precision. The scale quickly switches back to zero when weighing multiple ingredients in a single session. The tail function easily net weight of contents by subtracting the container weight. The bamboo cutting board has been produced by high temperature and high pressure when it is made. It has the advantages of hard and good toughness, so it is hardly to be damaged or scratched with knife. And this excellent bamboo cutting board will not be cracked and deformed. In addition, bamboo itself also inhibits the reproduction of bacteria. It is clean and safe. The premium electronic cutting bamboo board provides ample space for chopping. The removable tray allows you to quickly move the sliced ingredients away as you wish, easy to move and wash. This kitchen scale is designed for simple and speedy cleanup. Its unique design provides for easy washing and cleaning. No need to worry about the mess. Cooking the right proportions of ingredients delivers healthier living.